vehicle to meet the needs of people living in urban areas. And that over-engineering comes with a cost in terms of material, energy, safety, congestion, emissions, and so forth. So we think that a vehicle tailored to urban use, rather than today's cars, which is like a Swiss Army knife that can do everything, a vehicle that's really tailored to where it's actually being driven, which is in an urban environment, could be a lot more affordable and provide a lot of benefits in terms of energy, emissions, safety, congestion, parking, and affordability. And even if you get the electricity from coal, which is how most electricity is developed in China, for example, by virtue of this vehicle being so efficient, it's still much better on a well-to-wheels basis than traditional cars. So, in summary, the vehicle has three elements. One is it's an electric vehicle, means it can address air quality issues in big cities, it can address energy consumption issues with greenhouse gas emissions. It's a connected vehicle to address collisions and throughput, and to make it easier to find parking, for example. That's a big deal in urban areas. And it's a small vehicle, which means it's easy to maneuver, easy to park, and very lightweight and affordable. Now I'm going to just briefly mention the features that we're going to be demonstrating to you today autonomously before you have a chance to ride in the vehicles. They fall into three categories. The first is automated retrieval and parking. Basically, we call this virtual valet. Imagine that you could just call the vehicle and it comes to you, or you can go and tell the vehicle to park itself. So here the vehicle has nobody in it, and it goes and parks itself. Clearly that's a convenience feature, and it's also an energy savings feature as well. The second set of features is related to safety. We'll demonstrate collision avoidance, both between the two NVs and also between an NV and a pedestrian. So here we'll have a vehicle, one NV that has nobody in it, it's driving autonomously, and it avoids collisions with another vehicle that's driving manually, and it will also avoid collisions with a pedestrian walking. And the third feature that we'll demonstrate is what we call platooning, or convoying, where the vehicles follow each other, or the second vehicle follows the first, I should say, and follows exactly the same path, completely autonomously. So you can basically take your hands off the steering wheel and just follow the person in front of you, and just relax. So that wraps up the presentation. Now I think we need to go outside and we can watch the autonomous demonstration, and then you have a chance to ride in the vehicle.